This is a 2009 Lexus LS 460. This four-door sedan has an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Its top features include keyless ignition, a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a toolkit, rear curtain airbags, a pollen filter, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Thank you for considering Carl Hogan Toyota for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 3907 Highway 45 North, across from the H&H in Columbus. We look forward to serving you.